Today is day 12 of the Karen Read retrial, and so far this morning we've heard testimony from a key witness, a sergeant for the Mass State Police. Our Minash Kwangwari is live in Dedham right now with the latest on today's testimony. Minash.
That sergeant is Sergeant Yuri Bukhenik. He's been the only person to take the stand so far in this morning's session, and his testimony is revealing the step-by-step process Mass State Police went through before ultimately determining that Karen Read was the one responsible for John O'Keefe's death.
Good morning, sir.
State Police Sergeant Yuri Bukhenik on the stand Thursday.
I work for the Massachusetts State Police.
He was one of the investigators on what became the John O'Keefe death investigation, but he personally supervised the lead investigator, former Trooper Michael Proctor, who no longer has a job due to misconduct he displayed while serving as the lead investigator.
All I could tell there was bleeding happening.
Bukhenik testified about his role after seeing and examining John's body at Good Samaritan Hospital shortly after John died. And one of the first things he wanted to do, speak to the person he suspected saw O'Keefe last, Karen Read.
We had learned that she traveled to her parents' home in Dighton.
So he and Proctor went to the Dighton home for an interview, and upon arrival saw what would become one of the main pieces of evidence, Karen Read's SUV, but specifically the back taillight. And when he interviewed Karen, she said
she did not see him go in the house. She was asked about the damage to her rear taillight, to which she stated, quote, "I don't know how I did it last night."
Read is accused of backing her SUV into O'Keefe, leading to his death. But the defense say Read is being framed, and they believe police planted taillight evidence.
What time approximately did you and Mr. Proctor and that Lexus arrive at the Canton heated Sally Port garage area?
We arrived in at the Canton Police Department at 5:30.
You just heard him say they arrived at the Canton Police Department at 5:30. That was with Karen Read's SUV that they seized after interviewing her at her parents' home. Now, that's notable because the Canton Police Department is about 10 minutes away from where John O'Keefe's body was found, that home. And Mass State Police say that the first piece of evidence that was gathered and recovered there at that scene was at 5:45, and it happened to be a piece of a taillight. Right now, we're live here in Dedham. Minash Kwangwari, NBC 10 Boston.
Okay, Minash, thank you. NBC 10 Boston is your source for Karen Read's second murder trial. We will carry the court proceedings live every day over on NECN. It starts at 9 in the morning. It's happening right now. You can also stream it on our YouTube page as well.